In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own music to a Canva video. This is a fantastic way to personalize your content and make it truly unique. Canva offers a user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for anyone to add their own touch with custom audio. Now let's dive into the process step by step, so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to enhance your projects with just the right tunes. First, let's begin by opening up Canva and navigating to your project. You'll want to be on the editing page of your video project, where you can see all your editing options laid out neatly on the left side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Uploads tab. It's your key to bringing in your own files. Click on Uploads and notice how it opens up space for you to add your files. This is where you can upload practically anything you need from your personal device. Next, you'll want to upload your music file. Simply click on Upload Files. Doing so will open a dialog box letting you select the music file from your device. Just navigate through your folders until you find the track you want to add to your video. Once you have selected your desired file, click on it to upload. You may have to wait a moment as the file uploads depending on the length or size of the track. This step is crucial because it's where you bring in your own unique audio content to complement your visuals. Now, with your music successfully uploaded, it's time to incorporate it into your project by clicking on the audio option in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a library of all the audio files available for your project, including the one you just uploaded. You'll find that having all your audio files in one spot makes it easier to manage and choose exactly the right sound for your video. Finally, it's time to add your music to the video. You'll do this by dragging your music file from the audio panel directly onto the video page. This simple action integrates your music with your video project seamlessly. As you drag and drop, pay attention to where exactly you want the music to start in your video. Placement can set the tone for your entire video, so think creatively about how the music complements your visuals. And there you have it, a straightforward process to add your very own music to a Canva video. With these steps, you have the freedom to enhance your storytelling in a way that's unique to you. Experiment with different audio tracks to see what best suits your video's narrative. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you create something amazing. Stay creative, and until next time, happy designing.